Deep within the hyper-specialized ballistics of the coral reef, the mantis shrimp operates as a biological kinetic energy weapon. It is a masterpiece of strike engineering, designed to swing its clubs at speeds of 50 miles per hour, generating the same acceleration as a .22 caliber bullet. The machine facts of this shrimp reveal a saddle-shaped spring system. Instead of relying on muscle contraction, which is too slow for these speeds, the shrimp compresses a rigid structure in its arm. It is a biological torsion spring that locks into place until the trigger is pulled. This engineering solution creates a secondary shockwave effect. The strike is so fast it vaporizes the surrounding water, creating cavitation bubbles. When these bubbles collapse, they release a flash of light and a second hit of heat and pressure, ensuring the target's hull is breached. The chassis also features the most complex optical sensor suite on the planet. With 16 color-receptive cones, compared to a human's 3, the shrimp can see ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light. It is a biological hyperspectral camera that processes data across the entire spectrum. Diagram of the mantis shrimp compound, showing the midband and 16 photoreceptor types. Psychological facts show that humans are humbled by this over-engineered predator. It processes light and motion at speeds we cannot perceive. This reminds us that nature's hardware often operates on a frequency far beyond our own, requiring specialized tools just to observe its true power. Humans must treat and care for the biodiversity hubs, the tropical reefs, where these high-speed reactors live. Climate change and acidification act like corrosion for their environment. Stewardship of the ocean floor is vital to ensure these colorful combatants keep their reef secure. The history of materials science has been transformed by the shrimp's impact-resistant clubs. Engineers study the spiraled chitin layers that prevent the club from shattering upon impact. It proves that nature's armor plating is the gold standard for high durability, lightweight shielding. Nature facts reveal that the mantis shrimp is a top-tier security unit. Despite its small size, its strike can crack aquarium glass or shatter the shells of much larger crabs. It is a biological version of a railgun, proving that concentrated energy is more effective than sheer physical mass. Caring for the mantis shrimp is a form of marine stability maintenance. As specialized hunters, they keep the crustacean population in check, preventing any single group from overloading the reef's resources. Protecting them ensures the biological operating system of the sea stays balanced. The machine facts of their eyes show they can move each sensor independently. This allows for constant 360-degree monitoring while maintaining a locked-on target lock with the primary lenses. It is a high-bandwidth surveillance system that never suffers from latency or blind spots. Engineering comparisons often liken the shrimp to a smart weapon. Its ability to deliver a lethal blow while processing massive amounts of visual data is the gold standard for autonomous combat robotics. They are the primary inspiration for high-durability sensors and impact-absorbing gear. Every strike is a lesson in stored energy. The shrimp proves that the most powerful movements aren't about the size of the motor, but the efficiency of the spring. It is a reminder that by building up your internal tension, you can deliver a life-changing impact in a single millisecond. Every tide pool is a laboratory of high-velocity physics. By respecting the quiet work of these armored strikers, we recognize the labor involved in underwater ballistics. It is a partnership between the spring, the light, and the chitin that turns a shrimp into a high-speed projectile. Let the mantis shrimp remind you of the value of perception. You can only hit what you can see, so expanding your vision, your understanding, is the first step toward true power. Mastery of life is about seeing the colors others miss and striking with total, focused kinetic energy. Take care of the shimmering hardware of our reefs. As we look toward the materials science goals of 2026, the mantis shrimp remains our most vital consultant for impact resistance. Respect the coral and protect the strike, so the master of the bio bullet may continue to patrol the deep.